performance, analyzing the competitors and the market trends. These are some of the tasks performed by the financial manager in an organization. The image of the banker is changing. They now need to be dynamic leaders with a great communication and motivational skills. An investment banker is not a devil nowadays. Now they need to work very closely with the clients and they need to provide proper advices and meet their requirements. The accountants are not boring and auditors are not put them on their earth to make their life misery. These are actually two incredible and respective jobs with the great prospects and excellent on the job training courses leading to the respected qualifications. Analyze financial information to produce forecasts of business, industry, economic conditions for use in making investment decisions. Assemble spreadsheets and draw charts and to graphs used to illustrate technical reports using computer. Evaluate and compare the relative quality of various securities in a given industry. Interpret data affecting investment programs such as price, yield, stability, future trends in investment risk and economic influences. Maintain knowledge and stay abreast of developments in the field of industrial technology, business, finance and economic theory. Monitor fundamental economic, industrial and corporate developments through the analysis of information obtained from financial publications and services, investment banking firms, government agencies, trade publications, company sources and personal interviews. Prepare plan of action for investment based on financial analysis. Present oral and written reports on general economic trends, individual corporations and entire industries. Recommend investments and investment timing to companies, investment firm staff or the investment public. It's a good news for the people who are opting banking as a career. Especially the Shiv Shivani Institute of Management is also offering a banking, insurance, finance and allied courses. In the coming years, there are 85,000 vacancies which are going to be filled by the public sector banks in India. And of these 85,000, officer positions are available around 34,000 and remaining 51,000 are at different levels. And typically there are many banks that are recruiting both in the public sector and the private sector, and the State Bank of India group, which is having a large number of banks associated with, are going to recruit major number of students, and also the other banks like the SBH, which are part of SBM, SBP, SBS, SBT. These are all part of the SBI group. The other banks are Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank. Like that, there are many other banks also which are nationalized banks, and these are looking for the management graduates to fill the different slots that are going to be vacant in the coming 3 years. The students can seriously think of joining in Shiv Shivani Institute of Management because Shiv Shivani Institute of Management is a leading business school in Hyderabad, especially in Andhra Pradesh and especially in Hyderabad. The placement record in Shiv Shivani is excellent throughout the 21 years of its existence. This year especially, around 30 companies have visited the campus and recruited around 150 students so far, and another 25 companies are in pipeline which will be visiting the campus very soon. And why specifically MBA Finance or the programs that we are offering at Shiv Shivani, especially for finance students, we have one program by name Banking, Insurance, Finance and Allied Services, which is catering the needs of the banking, insurance and financial services. If we see the entire economy, the banking industry, insurance industry and financial services, these are contributing a lot to the GDP, and the GDP enhancement would definitely provide a lot of job opportunities. As I mentioned earlier that there are many bank openings are coming up, and the students who have done banking, insurance, finance and allied services, they will be having a better employment chances. Thereby they can seriously think of doing banking, insurance, finance and allied services. The Siva Sivan Institute of Management is getting a lot of companies in the area of finance, especially Deloitte, Capital IQ and Invesco, and banks like Citibank, Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank. So these are the different companies that are coming up, and the banks also that are visiting. And when it comes to the insurance, we have got MetLife, and there are few other insurance companies that are yet to come to the campus. Thereby the students who have done in the banking, finance and insurance, finance and allied services, they will be in a better position in terms of the employability. The students who are very keen in doing capital markets and who are very much interested in investments, so they can seriously think of doing MBA finance as a major. Thereby they can fulfill their dreams by becoming a broker or a keen investor like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in the Indian context, whereas in the global context like Warren Buffett, because the management program, especially the finance as a specialization, provides a lot of inputs that are necessary, and also they will have the hands-on experience by doing some of the assignments in the area of stock markets. Thereby they can fulfill their dreams like becoming a investor or starting off their own broking firm or having a career in capital markets area. Siva Sivan Institute of Management is offering programs both residential and non-residential. In the residential program, we have PGDM, TPS, triple specialization, wherein the students is allowed to go for the specialization to the extent of 3 in the second year. In the first year, the students will undergo the regular courses like the basic courses covering all the functional areas of management. In the second year, they need to choose a specialization wherein they can choose up to the 3 specialization. That's what the TPS, triple specialization. The other program is PGDM, banking, insurance, finance and allied services. If the student is very keen in having career in banking or finance or financial services or insurance, they can think of going for banking, insurance, finance and allied services. If a student, the other program that the institute is offering is PGDM marketing. The student who is very keen in making career in the area of marketing, and those who are willing to meet the clients every day, and those who have got the ability to convince the people, they can think of going for PGDM marketing program. The other program is PGDM human resource management. The students who have got the creative ability, who can do the counseling, who can train the people and who can mold them and who can make them pleasant, they can think of going for the PGDM human resource management as a specialization. These are the 4 programs that we are offering in residential manner. We also have got the non-residential programs. Basically this is meant for the local students who can everyday commute to the college. And here in PGDM triple specialization, PGDM banking, insurance, finance and allied services, and PGDM global business. These are the 3 programs we are offering under non-residential scheme. My advice to the students is, before they take admission in any institute, please look into the 2 aspects. One is the faculty who is there in the institute and their academic credentials. The second thing is the age of the institute. These are the 2 important factors which we should consider before you go for the admission. Along with these 2, there is one more factor which every student need to pay a lot of attention, is the placements and the salary that the students are getting. And please don't go by the tall claims that the institutes make, and the students are advised to see the validity of these claims before they think of admission in a particular institute.